Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit worth it na sumali ka sa Shopee Shop bilang member at gawin ito bilang distributor. So for example, dito sa warehouse deals. So kung mapapansin mo, itong cookware na 12-piece set, sa Amazon, mabibili mo siya ng $69.99. Pero kapag nandito tayo sa warehouse deals, kasi exclusive lang to, for example, this week lang siya available, kaya kumbaga pabilisan lang, paunahan lang ng pagbili. So from $69.99 naging $12.95 lang dollars. So ito naman po ay available lang sa mga nakatira sa US. So 12.95 lang. So ang laking discount. Isipin mo $57 yung natipid mo, or 81% off. So sabi ko nga, limited offer lang to na inilalabas ng Shop Company. Another is itong robot vacuum and mop Proscenic. So sa member exclusive, mabibili mo to ng $229, pero kung bibilin mo to sa Amazon or sa ibang online platform, nagkakahalaga ito ng $349. So nakatipid ka ng $120 or 34% off. Kaya kayo na mga nasa US ay napakaswerte nyo kasi pwede kayong sumali sa mga ganitong warehouse deals. At ang kailangan nyo lang dyan is maging member sa halagang $10 per month. So imagine, nakatipid ka ng $120, tapos ibawas mo na lang yung membership mo na $10. So nakasave ka pa rin ng $110. Yun ay kung dito pa lang ang bibilin mo. What if kumakain din kayo sa labas, sa restaurant? Kung kayo ay nagta-travel at nagsha-shopping. So again, US members only. Pero wag maglala yung mga outside US kasi ang kagandahan, pwede rin natin gawin ang business na ito. At ang benefits naman natin na pwede tayong makasave ay doon sa mga travel app like ticketing sa eroplano at saka sa mga hotel and resort. Hindi man natin masyado magamit ang app dahil nga outside tayo sa US. Ang maganda naman dito, pwede natin gawin yung business at take advantage yung opportunity na kumita dito sa Shopee Shop.
Welcome to your ultimate cashback rewards app, where saving money is effortless. With new rewards added every day, amazing deals are always at your fingertips. Getting started is easy and secure. Simply sign up and enroll your preferred Visa or MasterCard credit cards. Every time you shop or dine at participating stores and restaurants, you automatically earn cash back. Your cash back is tracked in the app and paid out directly to your preferred card every month. Finding deals near you has never been easier. Just open the app to explore local cashback offers and save on everyday purchases. Dine out and earn cash back at your favorite local restaurants and discover new favorites wherever you go. Shopping online? Use our in-app click offers to shop with top brands and earn rewards. All our card-linked offers make earning cash back effortless. No need to click on any link or buttons. Just shop online or in-store with your enrolled card and watch your rewards add up automatically. Love to travel? Our Traveler portal gives you access to over 850,000 hotels worldwide with cashback savings up to 50%. Refer a friend. Share your personal referral code or QR code and help them start saving too. Start earning uncapped, unlimited cash back today. Download our app and start saving real money every single day.
Kung interesado ka na gawin yung business, pwede mong panoorin yung video ko ng compensation plan para sa mga distributor na katulad ko. So, thank you, God bless, and see you at the top.